If you've been obsessing over your dose, wondering if you should go up, go down, switch injection sites, try a new day, but you're not tracking your meals, you're not staying hydrated, not moving your body, not even trying to stay consistent, you need to know it's not the medication that needs adjusting. It's your habits. Here's what I've seen over and over again. People are very quick to assume that their dose is the problem, when the truth is, they're not doing their part. You can't skip meals the first few days and then binge the last few, ignore your water, avoid movement, scroll through Facebook looking for all the hacks, and expect a medication to save you. That's not support. That's dependency. And the longer you rely strictly on your dose to carry all the weight, the more power you give away. This medication reduces food noise and it gives you focus, but it doesn't make you consistent. It doesn't replace intention. It doesn't build discipline. That's your job. Your dose helps create a window of clarity, but it's what you do with that window that matters. If you're using it to bypass the work, you're wasting it. But if you're using it to build the habits that your future self will depend on, you're building something real. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about ownership. It's about building a lifestyle that doesn't collapse every time your scale stalls or your dose shifts. So if you're stuck in the cycle of adjusting your dose, but ignoring your daily choices, this is your wake-up call. I want you to drop a stop sign in the comments if you're ready to stop delaying your progress, and tell me, what's one habit you're committed to practicing this week, no matter what the scale says? Remember, your dose is not your foundation. Your habits are. And finally, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them.